Hi, today I'm going to do a product review on this Frozen Magic Slushie maker. Yes, it makes slushies, or at least it's supposed to. You know, instead of driving down to 7-Eleven and getting a slushie, you can just make them at home. Now, you can purchase this on Amazon. They run about $20. There's different pricing for different colors, and you can see from the box they do come in multiple colors. So let's go ahead and start with unboxing it and see what's included. So the first thing is there is the cup, and the cup is a squeezable cup. You can squeeze it, and it has the lid included. And then there is also a straw, and the straw has a spoon that is attached to the end so that you can eat your slushie. And then there's also just some simple directions. Now there's only 3 easy steps to making your slushie, and the first one is putting it in the freezer. So we're going to go ahead and start by putting this in the freezer for about 4 or 5 hours. I might even go a little bit longer. So I'm just going to throw it in the freezer and not worry about it, and maybe come back to it a little bit later this afternoon. All right, so my slushie cup has been in the freezer for 6 hours now. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, but before I do that, I really had to think about what kind of drink I want to make. It's a serious decision here. So I wanted to think about what kind of drink. I pulled out the milk and the Sunny Delight. I've got some 7-Up. I've got Pepsi Mango and just regular Pepsi. Now I've heard that milk and orange juice is a little bit more difficult, so I'm just going to go with regular Pepsi and see how that turns out. So I'm going to go ahead and take my slushie cup out of the freezer now. All right, so the first step was just to put the slushie cup in the freezer for about 5 or 6 hours, and then the next step is just to pour the soda into the cup. Now I did wash my cup after I unboxed it, and I'm going to go ahead and just pour this in here. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on. And it's a twist lid, so that's pretty cool. Okay, and then it says just squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. Keep squeezing for a couple minutes. So I can see, first of all, it was really making a mess here. So I opened the cap a little bit, and that has helped. And now I can actually see it is turning into an icy mixture. I probably wouldn't have filled it up quite as much as I did. This is really super cool though, it's working. I guess the big thing would be how slushy you actually want it. This is pretty close to where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you can see. So you can see that is actually a slushie. That's pretty much where I want it. Maybe just a couple more squeezes, but yeah, really cool. All right, so there's my slushie, and yum, I think I really love it. So overall, I think that this product is a great product. I love the idea, and it's just kind of a cool thing, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.